off, take on, take over? Confused? Today, we will conquer the phrasal verb take and idiomatic expressions.
take off. 이륙하다, 벗다, 대박나다, 떠나다.
The plane takes off at 6.
The plane takes off at 6.
Take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes.
His channel took off after that video.
His channel took off after that video.
Time to take off.
Time to take off.
take on. 맡다, 고용하다, 도전하다.
Our team took on a new project.
Our team took on a new project.
We're taking on new staff.
We're taking on new staff.
He took on the champion.
He took on the champion.
take over. 인수하다, 대신하다, 장악하다.
She took over the company.
She took over the company.
Can you take over for me?
Can you take over for me?
AI is taking over everything.
AI is taking over everything.
take care. 조심하다. take your time. 천천히 하다. take it easy. 진정하다. take place. 발생하다. take part in. 참여하다. take for granted. 당연하게 여기다.
Take care. See you soon.
Take care. See you soon.
Take your time, no rush.
Take your time, no rush.
Take it easy, you'll be fine.
Take it easy, you'll be fine.
The wedding took place last Sunday.
The wedding took place last Sunday.
I took part in the competition.
I took part in the competition.
We take water for granted.
We take water for granted.
Today we learned 16 take expressions. How many do you remember? Practice makes perfect. Keep learning English.